Okay, hello everyone and hello Mr. Goons. How are you? This is the second videos and I get a talking about unforgettable moment. Well, September 2022 in my hometown when the sun was bright, the sky was blue. I need to leave my hometown to go to Jakarta to continue my studying. My mom, she took me to the airport. When the home atmosphere at the time was so quite calm. My brother go to school and my mother took me to the airport. She's just took me to the airport and I need to go to Jakarta alone. Like actually just by myself. But thank God that I met my mother's lecturer when my mother was in university. So my mother lecturer at the same time gonna go to Jakarta. So my mom introduced me to her, and after that we're together, went to Jakarta together. But from Patimura Airport, we transit to Makassar at airport. In transit in Makassar airport, she's ordered me, she treated me to Soto Makassar. So I was like, that's great, thank you so much. And I thank her, truly thank her, and I'm always gonna remember her for the rest of my life because it's the part of my journey. So shout out to her